Hey, what's up, guys? This is Bull Plays Chess. This is episode 2 of my Road to 1000 series. Currently 819. I think the other day we were sitting at like 790, so, happy to see it. This is my first game that I played today, and I just kind of wanted to jump into it. So it opens as your standard Rui Lopez. He immediately goes here. This invites the Berlin. And actually, I do accept the Berlin, that Rio Gambit. The reason that you leave this pawn to hang is because you end up bringing the rook out, and you've got the knight, the pawn, and the king all on this same rook diagonal. It's actually pretty good, pretty good. So here, I threaten the knight. Knight jumps back here. I guess it's just threatening that. He's threatening to take. I don't really care. I didn't really want him to take that because I like doing something here. So here's what I did instead. You're going to see the engine's going to think it's a mistake, but this is just how I played it. For higher rated people, you might not want to play like me, but if you're around my elo 600, 700, 800, this might just work for you. So we'll see. So he recaptures. That's obviously the best one, and then I capture here. I've now got a discovered check. That's why I like the Berlin so much, because so many times people walk into this stuff discovered check, and it's really an easy way to win the queen. And he just the way to protect the queen here is to block with the bishop. Because that way, when I go here, there's no check. You just take my horsey. But if you do something dumb like push the pawn, well, and I still have a discovered check, and I win the queen either way. Even if the queen comes to block, I win. And then so after winning the queen, it was fairly simple. Just trading down here since I'm up already. Get my knight out since that was the only piece that wasn't. I took that piece since it was a check. A bishop here. I wanted to stack my shit, so I stacked my shit. Bishop here is just an absolute blunder. I knew this. I knew this blundered mate, and I knew I could find it. So rook ad1. King moves for some reason, for literally no reason. Oh, I guess because it would have been mate in 1. So that's why he had to move. So he goes there, check, mate. Awesome. So yeah, I will back it up here. I really like this opening. My first video on this channel is about the Rui Lopez. So I would really recommend it. I like it because it's really a way to take not take the initiative, but keep the initiative as black, because you are just constantly pressuring them. I mean, just threat after threat. They have to just make move after move, responding to your threats. And I don't, that's not chess, I like to play where they react to me. I'm not reacting to them, because then I'm more likely to make a blunder. So yeah, be on the lookout. Try this Berlin defense. If you're a lower rated, you might just be able to hit this discovered check and win queens. I've won queens like multiple times like this. If you're a little bit higher rated than me, might not work, because they're probably going to block the discovered check with the bishop. However, just as a beginner, these are good. These are good fundamentals to learn, and the Rio Lopez kind of teaches you that through play. Well, I hope you guys like my video. Hopefully we'll get to 1K soon. Shout out Bobby Bojangles. Shout out Ben Finegolds. They're not related to me in any way. I just like them. All right, yeah, have a good day.